Hello, hi dear students. In this video, we are going to do that two special problems related to the JEE mains. The first question: if the semi-minor axis length of the ellipse x square plus y square, 2y square plus 2xy equal to 1 from its center 0, 0 is r, then r is equal to. So here radius they are asking ellipse. So, but given equation of ellipse x square plus 2y square plus 2xy is equal to 1 and center C is equal to 0, 0. Let us consider the point P of theta on ellipse, that is P of theta means or cos theta or sin theta, parametric point. This point is lying on the ellipse, lies on equation 1. So wherever x comma y is there, replacing with 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta. So r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, 2 into 2 is also there, plus 2 into r cos theta into r sin theta is equal to 1. So that implies that r square take common, here r into r square now, r square take common, cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. R square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. R square into 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta is equal to 1. R square is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin square theta plus sin 2 theta. Here r square is equal to multiplying and dividing by 2. So why we are doing like this, I will explain. 2 plus 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. In place of 2 sin square theta, we have to write 2 plus the value of sin square, 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta, that's all. Already 2 is there now, 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. That is the reason. Otherwise sin square theta we can write it as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Again take the LCM, it will take time. So that is the reason. R square equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3 minus cos 2 theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. They are asking R value 2 by root 2 by root of 3 minus, if we consider cos 2 theta minus 2 sin 2 theta. So separately you have to consider this one and get from trigonometry we have maximum and minimum value. So separately if we consider f of theta like cos 2 theta minus 2 sin 2 theta. So here they are asking maximum. So distance, generally minimum distance or maximum distance, minimum distance only you can take minus. So f of theta, this we have to compare with f of theta equal to a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta. maximum value of, whenever it is in denominator it will become maximum value. So maximum value, actually the question they are not asking like this way, the semi minor axis length after, it can be asked in maximum value of r value, the r maximum they are asking generally. So root of a square plus b square, no, according to this a value 1, b value minus 2, so root of 1 square plus 4, so root 5. So therefore r maximum is equal to root 2 divided by root of 3 minus, its value is root 5. So this is the radius of given problem. The radius value is this one. We will move to the next one. Another question, the parametric point on the ellipse whose vertices are 2 comma 5 and 2 comma minus 1 and eccentricity is root 5 by 3. By observing the given data 2 comma 5 and 2 comma minus 1, in this both x coordinates are equal, vertices are having x coordinates are equal, it forms a vertical ellipse. That means the figure will come like this. The figure will come like this. So first rough diagram you have to draw like this. This is the minor axis. This is the major axis. Of course it is a little curvy line, but we will draw that. Still it is coming like this, we will see. Yeah. This is the center of the circle, ellipse. Minor axis ends here, not minor axis. Whenever x coordinates are equal, we need to draw the figure in vertical form. So 2 comma 5 and 2 comma minus 1. Center of these two, this is b dash, this is b, this is a, this is a dash. So center means midpoint of b dash only center now. So for the ellipse center 2 plus 2 by 2 means 2, 5 minus 1 by 2 4 means 4 by 2 is 2. This is h comma k. So center of the ellipse, 2 comma 2, which is denoted by h comma k. We need to calculate the value of a and b. So here, from here to here it is b units, from here to here it is a units. So b is equal to distance between these two, so root of 2 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 5 whole square, so which is equal to root of 0 plus 9, that is equal to 3. So b value equal to 3, and we have E value, eccentricity is root 5 by 3 is given in the question. Whenever B value, E value, we know that A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square. So B square means 9, 1 minus E square, root 5 by 3 whole square, so 5 by 9. Take LCM, 9 minus 5 by 9, which is equal to 9 into 4 by 9. 9 get cancelled, 4. So A square is equal to 4, A is equal to 2. A value 2 and B value 3, H comma K center. Therefore, the required equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. First you write that equation of ellipse. After that we will calculate the parametric equations of this ellipse. So x minus h value 2 by a square means 4, plus y minus k value is 2 divided whole square by b square is 9 is equal to 1. For this type of equation of ellipse, the parametric equations x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Here in place of r, a, that also we need to write. So x is equal to, h value is what? 2, a value is equal to 2 cos theta, and y is equal to, k value is 2, b value is 3 into sin theta. These are the parametric equation. You have to write as a point means, therefore the parametric point on the ellipse is p of theta, that is two plus 2 cos theta, 2 plus 3 sin theta. So which is there in the first option. It is they mentioned as theta, it is, even it is also theta, here also theta, here also theta, here also theta, here also theta. So first option is the right option. I hope everyone understand that. Thank you for watching. Thank you all dear students. Please do subscribe. Share and support to this channel. Maths with Panindra. Thank you all.